Hey guys, so I am back with a brand new video, which is super fun, chill, and laid back. And I kind of figured I would share with you guys my favorite products from Anastasia Beverly Hills because I do love her as a brand. I do enjoy using her products. So I have a few oldies, yet I have some brand new goodies as well in this video. So if you guys want to see my Anastasia favorites, then of course just keep watching. Alright, so jumping into the video, I guess I'll start with the old and then work our way into like the new. So starting off, this product is no longer being sold, and I probably shouldn't show this product, but you guys, this was honestly my first like Anastasia purchase, so I kind of figured it's near and dear to my heart, and this palette actually made me fall in love with her as a brand. So you can maybe find it on eBay or Amazon, I don't know, again I'm sorry, but the palette is the Anastasia and Amrezy collab. First of all, this packaging is to die for. Like, I think it's probably like one of my favorite packaging from hers because I love that whole like cheetah print vibe. And you guys know Anastasia and Amrezy do have another collab going on right now. It's their highlighter, so make sure you guys check that out online or in Sephora. I don't have the highlighter. I haven't swatched it yet to see how it will look against my skin tone. Everyone seems to like it, but some can't wear it if they're like deeper skin tone. So I just want to swatch it before I actually like make a decision. So right now I'm up in the air with it, but I do have the eyeshadow palette, and I just love it so much. As you guys can see, I have killed this eyeshadow palette, especially Glisten. That is like one of my favorite eyeshadows in this palette. It is super pigmented. The color payoff is amazing. It's not a patchy eyeshadow. It's not dry. It blends like a dream. The color scheme in this palette is like amazing. It's definitely user friendly and beginner friendly. You have your pretty browns in here, your oranges, your greens. It's just a really pretty palette, and it's definitely one of my favorites from her. So I definitely had to pick it up when it first came out. And again, they don't sell it anymore, but you can probably pick up the shadows like individually and just kind of like create your own like palette if you wanted to, like a Z palette if you wanted to. But again, this Amrezy Anastasia collab is definitely a holy grail of mine, and I do love, and this pretty much introduced me to the brand right here. All right, diving into the next item, it's definitely going to be a brow product. You guys know she's known for just like the best brow products within the industry. So I do have the Brow Wiz. I do have the brow definer, but I kind of feel like I prefer the Brow Wiz because I have more control and the strokes look more like hair-like to me, in my opinion. I do have it in the color called dark brown. This is just what the product looked like. You have the one end with the pencil, and then you do have the spoolie on the other end. I'm like completely done, so I need to buy a new one. As you can see, there's nothing coming up. But I have killed this product. I love the product. I'm keeping it because I want the spoolie because it's a really good spoolie, so I'm not gonna throw it away. But yes, I do have mine in dark brown. Again, it's user friendly. You do run through the product pretty fast, so keep that in mind. A really good drugstore option is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist. That's a really good drugstore option because it's more affordable and it still does the job as this one. That's another reason why I haven't bought this one, but it is a really good brow product, and it's definitely worth the money if you wanted to have like a high-end brow product. So yeah. All right, my next one does go hand in hand with the pencil. I'm not sure if she still sells this product or not, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. You guys, I love this brow gel. It definitely keeps your hair in place. I'm not sure if people even like set their brows anymore, but I don't do it anymore. But when I was setting my brows, I did use this product, and you guys, it was like glue. It was not going anywhere. It was just like in place. So this was a good brow gel. The drugstore has some like affordable options as well, but I don't know if people still do that. But again, it is her brow gel. Love this product. All right, moving into like the more like newer products. This one isn't new, but it's like from 2 years ago. I actually bought this little like set 2 years ago in the summertime. It's the Anastasia lip gloss set, and it just looked like this. It was like a mini like lip gloss set. If you guys don't know, I love her lip glosses. I honestly prefer them over her liquid lipsticks. Her liquid lipsticks are really good, but you guys know I'm a glossy gloss girl. I love some nice juicy glossy lips. So when I saw this set, I was like, I'm pretty much getting some new colors, and they're still nice sizes, and they're really pretty colors that's definitely wearable for me. They're all pinky, mauve, purple tones, plus like 1 or 2 nudes in there that's actually like brown girl friendly. I did review this kit in 2 years ago, so I'll just link the video for you guys to check it out if you want to see like the swatches on my lips. But I do have a favorite in here. This one is called Saint Tropez. It's this really pretty like shimmery pinky gloss, and you guys know I love my shimmer glosses. I honestly think this was the gloss that pretty much kind of like reintroduced me to like the shimmer glosses, because it looks so pretty on the lips. It's not a chunky gloss in terms of like the glitter in there. It's like a smooth, just a smooth formula. So I just love the way it reflects in. I just thought it was really pretty. So that is what it looks like. And again, you can definitely check out the video to see the other swatches on the actual lip gloss set and just kind of see how it wears on my lips. But again, this is the gloss set. I don't think she sells that anymore. It might be on her actual website. I don't know, because again, that was 2 years ago, but I did love that product right there. All right, so then moving into like the actual individual lip products, I do have a few like individual favorites. The first one is called Trust Issues. It is a liquid lipstick. I thought this color was so pretty for the fall. It is a nice like vampy mauve color. Here is what the packaging looks like. It does have the silver lid, and then this is the actual color right here. And let me swatch it for you. If you guys don't know, her liquid lipsticks formula are so amazing. They're almost like thin in consistency, so it doesn't feel like heavy or cakey, and it does dry down really well. I do have dry lips, so I can pretty much be like the spokesperson for liquid lipsticks because I have dry lips, and hers are really good. So here is the color of Trust Issues. Again, it's so pretty in the fall. So if you want a nice fall lipstick, definitely check this out. The next one is called Terra. I do have Terra on my lips. It is a lip gloss. Here is Terra right here. Again, I have it on my lips mixed with some other like concoctions. But here it is. It's a really pretty like brownie pinkish color. So it's definitely brown girl friendly. My camera is gonna die, so I'm definitely speeding this video up. The next one is called Warm Bronze. Sorry. It's another lip gloss. Really pretty color. It's almost similar to Terra, but not really, because it has like a richer pigment compared to Terra. Here is Warm Bronze. And then the last one is going to be called Sepia. It is the lip gloss. So pretty, you guys. Here is Sepia, and it's such a really pretty like brownish color. So cute. And here is Sepia on my hand. All right, and then the last two items are just eyeshadow palette. The first one is the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. When this palette first came out, you guys, everybody was going crazy for this eyeshadow palette because of the color scheme. Again, it is a warm tone eyeshadow palette. Pigmentation is amazing. The color selection for the palette is just put together really nicely. The formula in here is probably like the best out of all of her eyeshadow palettes. It is definitely not a patchy, chalky, dry eyeshadow palette. It's pigmented. It blends out really nicely, and again, it's a really good everyday palette. And you could do like a all matte look, a shimmer mixed with some matte. It's just a really good thought out eyeshadow palette, and the packaging is amazing. Again, the packaging with the velvet gets kind of dirty easily, so you have to keep like your hands clean. Like I do have it like some spots already, but just keep your hands clean with that palette and you'll be fine. And the last one is her new baby. It's a Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I know I just hauled this product like not a long time ago, but you guys, I have used it, and since then I have just fallen in love with it, so I had to throw it in this video. It is definitely another warm tone eyeshadow palette, but if you put it next to the Modern Renaissance palette, you can definitely see why it's more like on the softer side in terms of like warm tone colors. It's not as like vibrant with the colors. It's not as like bright. It's just more like on the muted, softer side of the warm tone spectrum as far as the colors is concerned. It's definitely a really good everyday palette. It's a palette that's beginner friendly. It's a palette that's user friendly because you do have more mattes in this eyeshadow palette. And the shimmer shades that's in here, they're not shimmer shades that's too crazy or bold that's going to scare someone. So it's a really good eyeshadow palette, and it's a new palette, so definitely go check it out in stores. Modern Renaissance is not going anywhere. It's definitely in Sephora, it's online, so you can find that palette anywhere. So yeah, you guys, hope you enjoy my video. I apologize for speeding up towards the end, but my camera's going to die. I did film a video before I filmed this one, so that's why it's dying on me. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.